in this video we are going to unbox and review and take a look at the newly launched JVC portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's move in. My friends, this is the box of the newly launched JVC XS-N218BC, which is a portable Bluetooth speaker. As written on the box, I don't think that's a portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's move and see what's written on the box, and then we are going to move inside the box. So first, as you can see, it supports Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, micro SD card slot and aux port, and has a mic jack also, as you can see over here. And by the picture I can tell you that this is having a LED display over here and has some kind of a lighting mode. On this side, as you can see, some more specifications about the speaker. At the back, the pricing and everything is written on here. It weighs about 1.45 kgs. That's a lot. It's very heavy. And on the top, the same thing. So let's move inside the box and take a look at the speaker. So there's a seal over here. So first, as you can see over here, this is our speaker. So this is the speaker. So let's keep the speaker aside and let's see what are the accessories. So as you can see over here, this is the accessory pack, and over here this is the, I think so, warranty card over here, as written over here. It's a warranty card. This is the user manual, and inside this accessory package we get a remote to control the speaker. So that's a nice thing provided in the box. At this price point, I think so this is the best thing they have provided. Your micro USB cable for charging, your aux cable, and your AAA batteries for the remote. So friends, till I may clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker. This is the JVC Bluetooth speaker out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design of this product. Build quality wise, the whole shell of this product is made out of plastic. Like as you can see, the center part is properly made out of plastic. The sides, this black accents, as you can see, is also made out of plastic, but has a rubber coating onto it, like a soft touch coating onto it, which feels very high quality. And you can see this grab handle on top of it to pick up the speaker or carry the speaker anywhere with you if you want to carry the speaker, because it's a heavy speaker, like 1.5 kgs. It's a heavy speaker. So this grab handle is also made out of plastic, but doesn't have this kind of a finish to it. It feels very plasticky, and the quality is top notch. Like it doesn't have any panel gap, nothing is rattling or anything. It's all good. Like the build quality and everything on this speaker, the fit and finish is just top notch. It's just terrific to see at this price point. You can get such a great speaker. JVC is doing a great job when it comes to the build quality. It's just superb to see a company which is making car speakers from a very long time, like not only car speakers but 2-DIN and a single DIN music systems also for your vehicles, is doing such a great job when they are making a Bluetooth speaker. Like they don't have only one product, they have many different kinds of product, which I'm going to review in the future. So you should subscribe to my channel to get the updates. So friends, as we were talking about the build quality, the build quality is just terrific on this speaker. Everything you see over here is very well built. The quality of the speaker is very good. Everything is made out of plastic, as all other speakers. The quality of plastic is too good. It doesn't have any kind of panel gaps over here, and everything is just top notch over here. As you can see on the bottom part, you have these stands over here to keep the speaker stable, and they work very well. You can see that in the sound test. So design wise, as you can see, this is a barrel design speaker which we are seeing for a very long time, like the Artist BD405, 603 and lots of artist speakers or many speakers I have unboxed with the same design. This design is a very portable design. Like if this would be a squarish kind of a design, this would be a bigger speaker, but in this kind of a barrel design, this is a smaller speaker, and this is a 20 watt speaker in this kind of form factor. So This is a superb speaker. It's kind of portable. You can say that you can carry it somewhere, but you cannot keep this speaker inside your luggage, or you cannot keep this speaker inside your bag, because this will take a lot of space, and this is heavy also, like 1.45 kgs. It's a bit heavy in my opinion. You should carry a portable Bluetooth speaker, but this speaker is a bit heavy to carry with you if you're traveling somewhere, but nearby you're going for a party, it's perfect in my opinion. So friends, now we are going to move to the feature list of this speaker. Features wise, you get all the stuff which you don't expect at this price point. Also, you get that things also, like this, the center part, as you can see, is white. This is white because this speaker is a RGB speaker, which I have shown you in the unboxing, the picture of the speaker. So I'm going to show the lights also in the sound test. So as you can see, this is the RGB kind of a setup. We have different lights, purple, green, blue, different many kinds of lights over here. And on this side of the speaker, as you can see, this has a LED display over here, which can display all the stuff happening, like the volume changes, the EQ mode, everything. This speaker has 5 EQ modes, by the way, and you can see you get a mic port also over here. Superb. I know you don't get a mic, but at this price point I don't expect a mic also inside the box. But if you want to connect a mic, there is a port over here, or if you're having a mic, you can connect it over here. And this is a 20-watt speaker. As you can see, the Bluetooth is latest. You can pick up calls from this speaker, like you can see over here. There's a microphone. Yeah, there's a microphone. You can switch off the LEDs also, which with this button. You can change mode also with this button, and if you want to change tracks, you can change through this button, and you get a remote also inside the box, which I'm going to show you in a later part. This is the play pause button, micro USB port, USB port, aux port, your charging port, the mic port, which I have shown you, and you can switch off the speaker like this over here, and you can increase the volume also. So the battery life on this speaker is too good. Like, the battery capacity is 2000 mAh, and the playtime is about 4 to 5 hours. You can go to 6 hours, it depends upon the volume, but in my usage at 100% volume, it has given me about 5 to 5.5 hours of playtime, which is okay in my opinion for a 20-watt speaker. And there are RGB lightings also, so it will consume a lot of power, so it's okay in my opinion. But I still think that they should have given us a bigger battery, because the size is very big, but still it's okay in my opinion. 4 to 5 or 5 to 5.5 hours is just perfect. So friends, now we are going to move to the sound test of this speaker. And friends, before the sound test, let's talk about this remote provided in the box. I've installed 2 AAA batteries inside it. So as you can see, this is the power on off button, this is the mode button. You can mute the speaker, play and pause button, changing tracks. You can actually, this is fast forward button, this is changing tracks. You can change EQ modes. There are 5 EQ modes, as I've told you, and you can put the song on repeat, and you can change modes also, like SD card and USB over here. And these are the buttons for the FMs and all those stuff. If you read the manual, you will see all those kind of information over here. But the main problem with the remote, which I am suffering from, is that you need a proper angle to let the remote work. As you can see over here, this is the speaker and this is the remote, so it should work properly. Like, let me just switch it off. So it's not turning off. Like, you see, you have to put it into some kind of angle, if I do it like this from some different kind of a thing, like you can see here, it's not happening. You need a proper angle, like from this angle. Now it will turn off, like you can see over here. It will, you have to adjust the angle. That is the only gripe with this remote, but other than that, this remote is working perfectly. You can do each and every kind of task over here, but only the thing is that you cannot reduce the volume. Like, you don't have a volume button on the remote. You have a play pause button over here. You can change tracks, you can fast forward the music, you have that kind of ease, but you cannot change the volume. I don't know why they haven't given you the volume controller inside this remote, but it's okay. Like, you can directly mute it if whenever you want it, and you can turn on and turn off the speaker also. And this remote works very well, but only the thing is that you need to have that perfect angle. So friends, now we are going to move to the sound test directly, and I'm going to show you the 5 different kinds of EQ modes on the speaker. So let's turn off the speaker. So as you can see, it's not turning on. So still not turning on. Now it's turning on. It says hi. Now it will get connected to my tablet over here.
Paired.
Friends, I've connected the speaker to my tablet. And to give you a nice experience about how this speaker looks in the dark, let me switch off my studio lights. So the name of the song is, as you can see over here, Yala, and now I'm going to play the music. And before that, you can see the volume from my device is full, so I'm going to playing it. The bass is good, it's damn good. As you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is very clear. Like, it isn't distorting, it's super clear. The sound is very clear, you can hear each and everything the singer is singing. The bass is too dope, like the bass is banging hard. The bass lover will love this speaker. And loudness wise also, this is a very loud speaker. For a 20-watt speaker, it's super loud. We are going to compare this speaker with many other speakers. Just comment down below which comparison do you want to see, so I can make that also. So friends, loudness wise and the sound clarity, the bass, it's super dope in my opinion. That it's just terrific. No doubt it's a JVC brand, so you expect that thing, but at this price point, this is a very high quality speaker. And friends, you can see the RGB lighting also over here in action. The RGB lighting works like an equalizer. When you play the songs, it will dance as an equalizer, and when the song is at pause position, you can see over here it's just changing colors. And this is one of the brightest RGBs I have seen after the JBL Pulse 3. If you haven't seen the JBL Pulse 3, there's a card appearing over there. Click on the card and watch that video. But this is one of the brightest lights I've seen on any speaker. I've unboxed the RGB version of the artist speaker also. I don't remember the name of the speaker. It's, I think, 605, 603, something like that. But that speaker is a huge speaker, but didn't had this kind of a quality of RGB. I've unboxed the block, but this RGB quality is super dope in my opinion. And you can switch off the lights also from this button over here, M LED over here. Just hold it. Yeah, as you can see over here, you can switch off the lights. Yeah, now it's turned on. At the price I got this speaker, it was just mind-blowing. Like, I got this speaker for 1800 rupees. It was on high discount, but now it's priced about 2100 rupees. But considering that much money, it's worth every penny. Like, this speaker is giving you a quality of a speaker which is cost about 3000 rupees, and the sound is superb. The features provided is just mind-blowing. The build quality is just terrific. The design is super good. Barrel designs are superb. And friends, let me tell you that there is only one speaker inside this whole unit. As you can see on this side, this is for air ventilation over here. Other than that, this speaker is just awesome. Like, this is a great package for 2100 rupees. Yeah, this is a super package. And friends, there's a link in the description. You can check out all the JVC speakers which Flipkart has. Yeah, Flipkart is the official seller for JVC speakers over here, so you can check the link in the description for the prices, for colors, for different variety of speakers. And friends, to check the link in the description to buy this speaker also. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of this JVC portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching, friends.